Looks fun.
Yeah, he welded it up good this year.
That's like a low-end rival.
It's got some noise. No question. It did when he parked it.
And watch. Motor's locked up. So what's going? Explain what's going on.
It was locked up. It's broken in half now. Ready?
I'm trying to start it.
Oh, it's turning now. It's caught a hold of it. Magic. So a while ago they hit the starter and the
Either
flywheel
that or the
spun.
starter never engaged a while ago. But
You want to put the plug back in it and try it?
well, crank it a few more times that way, see if it finishes itself off. Just run it forward and see if it locks up.
It's clunky.
Oh.
At times it's good, that other time it wasn't.
That's probably why it was slick sounding last Saturday.
Is the
And-
front pulley main turning?
So maybe the
Got compression.
Bendix wasn't engaging, is the reason when it first, you know, it sounded like it was running back there, not up here.
Yeah. There's still something.
Either
clunky.
that or it's finally mated together on the crank and it's turning, but
There's something hit the bottom of the pan when I was underneath of it.
Uh-huh.
I
Well,
heard
if
it.
it's turning, I think something
Something.
straight the bottom of the thing.
Probably
Yeah.
the main cap or a
Yeah.
rod bearing maybe.
And it might be in the clear now, but it won't stay clear long if you run
Depends
it.
on if you want to take a chance on running
Right.
your car over a bum engine.
I'm not gonna do that.
Tail.
You got. It's got compression on.
Now that's just Bendix there that's doing that. It's not flying into the
That
flywheel.
starter Bendix there.
Yeah. That's what made us think it was broke in the middle. It's the Bendix on the starter. But go ahead until it kicks. Let's start cleaning up the mess.
You heading back home after this, Chad?